Today's topic is overpopulation problem. If you love this beautiful planet Earth, absolute birth control is needed. The world is already overpopulated. In 1804, the world population was 1 billion, but now in 2018 it is 7.6 billion. In 2012 there is a rapid growth in population, but our land is short. Land area is very short. You all know the most of the earth place is filled with water, almost 70% and above. The land area is very small, 5 billion kilometers. Due to the tradition of marriage, everybody should get marriage, and after marriage produce children, as many as you can. The government has given some family planning, हम दो हमारा दो, you two and your two, husband wife, daughter son. But this is not work, and everybody has not right to be get married. If they want, they stay without marriage, and everybody should not get qualification to produce children. Being a parent is a great art. I call the greatest art, but everybody goes on creating child. The old tradition is going on. I think marriage should be completely disappears from the world. Men should not live together by bondage of marriage. Man should live his life with love. Due to marriage, there are many problems in the world. Prostitution is the byproduct of marriage. Due to marriage, the family is created. Due to family, more tensions, responsibility, duties all increase. So man is in constant pain. So he go on drinking alcohol and different type of drugs to forget himself. Why he wants to forget himself? Due to his family. Today is not this thing. If this thing fulfill another thing, the problem goes on and on. Man trapped in an vicious circle. He cannot escape from it. Everybody is against birth control, especially religions. Hinduism prohibits birth control. Islam, Christianity, all religions, and on priests, politicians, there must be some reason behind it, because the priest and politicians wants to dominate other people. It is said that in crowd there must be problems. So in the name of problems they want to dominate others. Overpopulation has made so many problems to humanity. So population growth should be stopped. How population growth should be stopped? In earlier days, before 100 years, people do not live more than 40 years. There are Hija, cholera, and many dangerous diseases which kill them. But now medical science has developed so much that a man can live more than 100 years. If a man can live 100 years, then he can see his great grandson. If a man is married at 20, when he is 40, his son is 20. When he is 60, his grandson is 20. When he is 80, his great grandson is 20. When he is 100, his great great grandson is 20. So there is a great generation gap. And the lifespan has increased. So people are less dying and more people are burning in the name of heredity continuation, Vansha Raksha. This stupidity is going on. Why unnecessary go on creating children? And your children should be like you. There should be 90 and more than 90% chance that your children should be like you. Your son be like your father and your daughter will be like your wife. You are think yourself how you are. Stupid idiot, nonsense. You have created so many problems for yourself as well as others and the whole world. Who is responsible for it? There are so many mad people around the world, mentally retarded. Unnecessary go on creating population is just stupidity. You should use modern medical science. You should use condom. It is said that I have read on Earth's Day, one of my friends has written in Facebook, use condom, fuck random. So you can enjoy your sexuality by using condom, contraceptive pills, abortion, SEP method, copper T method, and many more. There should be more research on birth control. More devices should be created on this topic. And if a man should get digit, the profession of doctor should be completely eradicated from the earth. So one he lives his life wrongly should be dead. Nobody can cure him. If in one day above 1 lakh people are dying and above 2 lakh people are burning, so there is rapid growth of population. Now the time we should think, we live comfortably. There should be no space facing a lot of problems of traffic, bank, hospital. In every field there is a competition. In education there are so many thousands of students and only 36 seats. Every field we are facing problems. So lesser the human being, less is the problem. More the human being, more will be the problem. So we should take use of modern medical science and die, do not cure the ill, they should die, so there will be a balance. Thank you.